you in Avyakti family. Today is day 45, Avyakti blessings. Now we listen from Mohini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
सभी ने वरदान को यूज किया दिन भर?
Did everybody use the blessing in the whole day? Because when we use it, we experience it and we attain it. Only by listening, you don't attain it.
रोज मुरली के बाद बाबा,
That is why every day in the morning after Murli, there's always Baba gives us the blessing. Like whole day we should practice to stay in that
याद
stage.
होगा।
So all of you must be
बहुत अच्छा
remembering.
था सवेरे का।
This blessing was very nice.
बाबा कहते हैं मेहमान
Baba
पन
says,
की
may
वृत्ति
you
द्वारा,
constantly be up above with the attitude of
मेहमान
being
पन की
a
वृत्ति के
guest
द्वारा
and thereby make your
वृत्ति को श्रेष्ठ
household and your stage elevated.
स्टेज को ऊंचा। प्रवृत्ति जो है, कारोबार सारा दिन प्रवृत्ति चलती है,
Whole
उसको
day we
श्रेष्ठ
are
और
in our
उसको ऊंचा
household.
बनाने वाले
So to make the stage elevated,
सदा उपराम अभाव,
always remain up and above. So may you constantly
जो
be
स्वयं
up
को
above with the
मेहमान
attitude of being
समझकर
a
चलते
guest
हैं,
and thereby make your household and your stage elevated.
जो
So those
स्वयं
who
को मेहमान
move
समझकर
along,
चलते हैं,
considering themselves to be
अपने
guests,
देह रूपी मकान से
become
भी
detached from the houses of
निर्मोही
their
हो जाते
bodies,
हैं। देह रूपी मकान से भी निर्मोही हो जाते हैं।
become detached from the houses of
मेहमान
their
का तो अपना
bodies.
कुछ भी नहीं होता,
A guest does not have anything of his own.
कार्य में सब
He will use everything, but not with the feeling
में
of
सब वस्तुएं
ownership.
लगाएंगे, लेकिन अपनेपन का भाव नहीं होगा। वह सभी
While using
साधनों को अपनाते
all the
हुए
facilities to the extent that he is detached from them,
जितना न्यारा उतना बाप के
so
प्यारे,
he will be just as loving to the Father.
न्यारे उतने ही बाप के प्यारे रहते हैं।
He easily is beyond the body.
देह और देह के संबंध, देह और देह के संबंध,
He easily is beyond the body. Relations of the body and all possessions,
हो जाते हैं। जितना
to
मेहमान
the extent that he is detached from them, so he will be just as loving to the Father.
और स्टेज ऊंची रहती है। आज का स्लोगन है,
He easily is beyond the body relations of the body and all possessions to the extent that a householder has an attitude of being a guest. Accordingly, he becomes elevated and his stage high. Slogan is make your nature pure and clean and success will be merged in every step. Baba said many things about this, that if we remain up and above and if our attitude is being like a guest, then your household and your stage will be elevated. It will be family or any kind of anything that is, it is called activity, interaction, or business, relationships, everything is called household. So then your household and your stage becomes elevated.
उससे क्या प्राप्ति होती है?
So what is the
उपराम
attainment
स्थिति
with this?
अनुभव होता है।
We experience being up above.
तो उपराम जब होंगे ना,
When we become
तो बाबा ने कहा ना, न्यारे भी
up
रहेंगे
above, you'll be
और बाबा के प्यारे भी बनेंगे।
detached and loving.
तो ये जैसे कि अपनी
So
ये
this is like,
स्थिति बनाए रखना,
if you have this awareness that I am a guest,
तो अनुभव होगा ना कि कैसे
then you will
श्रेष्ठ
experience it, that how my household
और
is
कैसे
elevated
स्थिति ऊंची बनी,
and how my
कैसे
stage
हमारा
is elevated.
जो प्रवृत्ति है वो ऊंच बनी। तो ये सिर्फ
How did
बुद्धि
my household become
समझने से तो नहीं
elevated?
होगा ना,
So this is not just by understanding in your intellect.
ये वरदान की स्मृति दिन में कर्मयोगी जीवन में,
So in the whole day, when you have this awareness in the
क्योंकि कर्म
house, by staying in the
करते
household,
का प्रयोग
then
होता है ना,
while doing actions also, if you have this
जो
awareness,
साधना
and we are
करते हैं,
using
उसमें बाबा की
all
प्रेम
the
ममता न हो,
instruments, everything that we are
तो
using, we
मेरा
shouldn't be
बना
attached to it, and we shouldn't feel that this is mine.
तो आज हमको देखो बहुत कुछ जीवन में प्राप्त है।
Today we have many things we have attained in our life.
अगर हम सोचते हैं मेहमान हैं,
If we think that I am a guest,
जैसे कई होते हैं कि इकट्ठा करते
like
रहते हैं,
many other,
किसी
they
को
keep on
कुछ चीज का
collecting.
होता है, किसको किसी
Somebody likes this, somebody wants
होता है,
that,
तो बहुत इकट्ठा
some
करते
material
रहते
thing,
हैं।
they keep on collecting.
तो बुद्धि योग तो उसमें जाएगा ना, ऊपर हम
So
कैसे
your
रहेंगे?
intellect is over there. How can you stay beyond, up
तो
above?
अंदर में गहरे तरीके से
So
निश्चिंत
from
रहें,
inside, from your
आराम
depth,
से रहें,
you
उसके लिए
remain worry free.
जरूरी है।
For that, it is very important to go
तो
up
मेरा
above.
कहने का भाव ये है कि
So I'm
मैं
trying
इसी
to
बात
say
पे
is,
जोर दे रही हूँ कि
I'm
सवेरे
stressing
वरदान
it again
सुनो,
and again on this thing that
फिर अगर
in the
भूल
morning,
जाते हैं
listen
तो
to
एक
the
बार फिर
blessing.
पढ़ो, दो बार
If you
पढ़ो,
forget, read it again once, twice.
तो उससे क्या होगा कि स्थिति
So what will happen with that? Your stage will be elevated.
नहीं तो जैसी स्थिति है, जैसा
Otherwise, as is your stage, as is your habit and sanskar, it will keep on going on that way.
परंतु हमारी प्रवृत्ति श्रेष्ठ हो,
But if our
स्थिति
household
उच्च
is
हो,
elevated, our
आज
stage
बाबा
is elevated,
बता रहे हैं
the
कि
solution for that is what we have to do. Baba is
बाबा
saying,
मेहमान समझो,
always have
एक
that
बात
attitude of
तीन
being a
बातें
guest.
होती हैं वो
One is being a trustee, that is
आप
different.
सभी को अनुभव तो है ना, कहीं
You
जाते
all
हैं
must have
तो
experienced
मेहमान
that if we go anywhere, we are like a
आत्मा
guest for a
शरीर
few
में भी तो
days.
मेहमान ही है ना,
So soul is also a
कितना
guest
भी
in this
रहेंगे
body.
फिर भी जाना तो
How
पड़ता
much ever it stays, still you have to
अगर
leave
मैं
and
अपने
go.
शरीर के साथ संबंध ही ऐसा रखूं
So
कि
if I
जैसे
keep
मैं
such
मेहमान हूँ,
relationship with my body that in this body I am
तो
a
मुझे
guest,
जाना होगा,
then when I have to go,
बहुत सहज होगा।
then it will be easy to go.
नहीं तो अपने घर से भी तो बहुत अटैचमेंट होता है,
Otherwise, we are very attached to our house also.
लौकिक में बड़ा मकान होता है, उससे अटैचमेंट
In
होती है,
Lokik,
यहाँ
we
पे
have a
तो
big
शरीर
house, we have
मकान
attachment
है,
with that. Over here, the body is your
तो
house.
कैसे हम यूज करें इस शरीर को।
So how to use the body?
लेकिन मैं आत्मा इस शरीर में मेहमान हूँ,
But I, the soul, I am
इस
a
वृत्ति से
guest
करेंगे,
in this body. If we have this attitude,
तो इसलिए आप लोगों ने अगर अभ्यास नहीं किया है
so if you
तो
haven't
आज भी कल
practiced it,
सवेरे तक दूसरा वरदान मिले, थोड़ा अभ्यास
you can still practice it from now
स्मृति
on till
रखो,
tomorrow morning till we get
फिर
another
विश्वास
blessing.
हो, फिटनेस
Practice
होगी,
it, have this
और न
awareness,
केवल
and you will
भगवत
see
भजन
that you'll have
करते
such
रहेंगे,
good experiences and you will be
प्यारे
receiving more
रहेंगे
blessings.
और बाप के प्यारे रहेंगे।
You'll stay, you'll remain loving and detached. Om